Hello again. Today we're going to make the yisang itself, which is the Chinese New Year salad. And the Chinese New Year salad is a simple dish, but it's very time consuming. And today we're going to make some of the crispy bits and just cut the vegetables and then we put it together. So let's go and see how is it like to do all this. It's a lot of work actually. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And every day I will share something regarding food or me preparing food or something related to food and sometimes my travels, but now it's COVID, so there's no travel. Okay, so if you like my video, don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified of all the videos that I upload. And I upload once every day. So far so good, keeping my fingers crossed. So let's go and see what is required to make a lovely yisang for Chinese New Year. So to make the salad, we do need carrots, we need spring onions, some red pepper. I've got this one, but if you have other red pepper, it's okay. We also need cucumber. Some cucumber, not a lot. We also need a Chinese pear, and we need some cabbage. White cabbage, I use sweetheart because sweetheart is sweeter, or you can use the cabbage that's used for making coleslaw, you know, the very hard ones. And I also have a few leaves of red cabbage. These are some of the vegetables that we need to shred. And we also need pomelo, which I've shown you how to cut it, and it's separated into bits where all the sacks are separated. Yeah, pickled cucumber, which we did in the last video. Yeah, and pickled carrots as well. Pickled leeks, but I don't have pickled leeks, so I use pickled onions, which is the English type of pickled onion, but it's okay. Beancurd stick, which I will cut and fry. And because there's not enough of those crunchy things, I'm going to cut and fry some sweet potato and also a potato, so it gives us more of the crunchy bit. I'm going to make like wonton skin, you know. So this is flour which I've made into a dough, which I will roll out and cut into strips, and I'm going to fry it as well so that we have more crunchy bits. For the aromatics, you would need some kaffir lime leaf. I don't have fresh, so I use dry. I also need some peanuts, a spoonful of salt, but I've done more. Some sesame seed, some 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of fresh nutmeg grated, nutmeg the seed, and of course the sauce that we made the other day. I think you have seen me doing this, cutting this in my vegetarian fried noodles. So we just cut it into very thin strips. I'm cutting the sort of the wonton bit, the wonton skin type of fritters. So I made this from plain flour. I add some water, and this is the green coloring. I also have the plain one, which is like this. We're going to fry the crispy bits, and the first one I'm going to fry is the beancurd stick. So I put the chopstick here and it bubbles, so it should be okay, or you can just try. We're putting in the beancurd stick. I'll put all easier. So it's beginning to bubble. See, it's a nice golden color now. Okay, we're going to drain this. So we're going to put this. So now we're going to make the yisang itself, just to arrange the salad. You can put it in little, mounds, but I think I want to do something rather different. Okay, let's start with the base. I always like to start with the base, so let's put all the green things here, and then we start building a picture or a photo out of it. These are the green ones. So we've got the base. Now we're going to do the shape of an ox. So this will be the face. So here we are. I finally managed to make it look like an ox. But does it look like an ox? Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but let me tell you what I did. I used the crispy bits here, and this is the sweet potato. This is a sweet potato. This is the beancurd sheet, and I've used the pomelos around the side to make up the frame, the white ones. And here are the pears, the Chinese pears, and these are the pickles, cucumber and carrot. And over here is red cabbage. Over here is a crispy one. And I've used the pomelo as part of the eye white, and 2 grapes as the eyes. And this is supposed to be the nose, the snout, and the nostril. So does it look like, I'm not even recording. Am I recording? Yeah. Does it look like an ox? I'm not too sure. So the yisang is ready. And this is the ox, year of the ox, next year, I mean the coming Chinese New Year. And this is how it's served. We have the salad in the center, and then we have the tangy sauce, which we made the other day. And I also have kaffir lime leaf. This is dried. You'll give it some extra flavor. And the spices, that is the 5-spice powder and the nutmeg. I put it in the red packet. That's what you get when you go to the restaurant to eat it. And I have my groundnut and sesame here. And some people do serve it with extra sesame oil. So now we're going to serve the yisang. So we'll pour the sauce all over it. And then we'll pour the garnishing. Yeah. And the spices. Quiet, Polly. Okay, and then we stir. Okay, what we do is to stir and make it as high as possible. So its significance is we grow higher and higher. And I say auspicious things like Happy New Year, good luck and prosperity. Oh, stop barking. Okay, and then mix it up. Holy shut up. Okay, and then we help ourselves. Just help ourselves. Up to you whether you want to eat or not.
No, just leave that.
Yeah, just leave it. Okay. So here is the yisang that we've done. And I think I put too much of the crispy bits. I prefer more vegetables. So it's okay, we can add more vegetables the next round. So the sauce is very tangy, and it's a bit sour, and a bit, of course, it's sweet. And then we have the sesame seed smell. We also have sesame itself and groundnuts. And I can taste all the vegetables. It's lovely. It's really lovely. This doesn't have fish, raw fish, so it's all vegetarian. And it's vegan, I suppose. It's all plant-based. So I hope you enjoy it, and that's what we do during Chinese New Year. And if we visit other people, they will have, this one as the starting of the meal. So if you go and visit friends over Chinese New Year, let's say you have visited 10 friends, then you do it 10 times. And sometimes companies also treat their staff to a New Year dinner, and they have this as the opening, because this will signifies a grand opening for the year, good luck and prosperity, good health, and all the good things that we wish for each other. So I hope you enjoy watching me doing the Yisang. It is so long and it is so time consuming, but I'm doing it because I like to do it, no? Okay, Daddy, you can stay here, whatever you want. So you're going to put all the thing here. Okay. All the sauce. Put the kaffir lime leaf, peanuts, sesame, and the spices. Okay, so we now go and Happy New Year! What? The higher you lift, the higher you will get this year. You will be this year. So we want to leave it high. Today has got more vegetables. Yesterday got more of the crunchy things, not so nice. What? All the good Chinese words. Actually, when everything simmered, I mean, it will become like the rest. So enough salt or not? Everything gets mixed properly. We need more sauce. Can get more sauce. Record your, pick it up. Oh, very strong, the nutmeg smell. More than you, okay. So until the next time, if you like my video, don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. And if you think it's enjoyable, you learn something new, don't forget to share with people whom you think would like to watch videos on cooking and eating. Alright then, bye, till the next time. Ciao. See you again. Thank you.